tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to use alternating colors to make your data easier to read. So I have here quite an extensive set of data where I have names of fruits and different prices, and at some point your eyes start to cross and it's very hard to know if you're looking at the right price for the right fruit. So what I can do, I can select the option of having two colors alternating, so I always know which line I'm reading. It's almost like a guiding color to help you make sure that you are looking at the right data. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click anywhere in the data selection. We're gonna point our cursor to format, and then we're gonna come all the way down to alternating colors. We're gonna click on alternating colors, and you see that by default we have this little helper here on the right that has decided that my data has a header, which it does. If it didn't, I could just untick, and you see that it has removed the formatting for the header. I do quite like having the formatting for the header though, in this case, because I do have a header. So I'm going to leave that ticked. And you can also select the different color schemes. So for example, I'm quite fond of blue, so I'm just going to use the blue. And if you come down, as you scroll down, you can also change the color. So if you wanted to have the header for some reason in purple, I could just come here and change the header to purple. Don't like that, I'm going to bring it back to blue. And you can also change the first and the second color to whatever color you like the most. Once you're done, that's it. You just click on done. And that's your alternating colors. Now, in order to remove it, we're gonna come back to format and alternating colors. You must have clicked somewhere in the data that has alternating colors. And you see that here at the bottom of the helper, you have the option to remove alternating colors. So if you, for some reason, decide that you don't want the alternating colors anymore, you're just gonna click on this, and the alternating colors are gone.